Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. Okay, so in this video I'll be discussing few intraday trading tips which will help you to make good trades in intraday trading. Okay, and keeping the new things in mind like new margin rules update and all the new market changes what I have done. So keeping that in mind, I've updated some of the tips which will help you for intraday trading. Okay, so watch this video till the end to get important tips on the intraday trading. Okay, and also if you're liking the videos in my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what to get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now let's start with the first tip. Okay, so that is stock selection. So guys, to make good profit in intraday trading, the stock selection is very important. Okay, so you need to know how to pick a right stock for the day when you're doing an intraday trading. Okay, many people, due to the new margin rule, what they do is they pick a stock with a less price so that they get more quantity. So don't do that, because if the price of a stock is less than the 150 rupees, if it's less than 150 rupees, the movement will be less. Okay, so don't select a stock or don't select a penny stock for intraday trading. For example, like S Bank. Okay, I'm just giving an example. So this stock, what happens is you don't get a movement here, and there will be a problem in execution of your order also if you select a less price stock. So don't ever do that. So always select a stock which is above minimum 150 rupees. Okay, so to find a better stock for intraday trading, you can go to NSE India website and come to the most active section here. Here you can see most active stocks by the value and volume. So you can select the stocks from here. So any stock which is having a good volume and good value for the stock price which is above 150 rupees, as you can see here, so these stocks will have good movement. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have to select a stock like 4000 rupees or 2000 rupees. You can select above 150 rupees and above 200 rupees so that they will give good movement. Okay, just because you're getting more quantities in the less price stock like S Bank or something like that, don't choose that stock to trade. Okay, in that there will be a problem in execution of your order, and your target will not achieve that quickly also, and there will be no movement. Okay, so select the stocks which with having a good movement and liquidity, and follow the market trend. Okay, if the market is going to the upper side, select the stocks which are in a gaining section and which is going up, and if the market is coming down, select the stocks which is coming to the downside. Okay, so to learn all this thing in detail, you can join my course. In my course I'll be teaching you how to select the stocks with 90 to 95% accuracy strategies, which will help you to make consistent profit. Okay, and now coming to the second point, correct strategy and execution. Okay, you need to have a correct strategy and execute it properly in a correct time of market to make your profit. Okay, even if you're having a good strategy and picking a wrong stock, it will not work out. Okay, even if you're having a very good strategy and picking a wrong stock, even that will be a wrong trade. So you should always have a correct and a proper strategy with the stock selection idea and execute it properly. Okay, and don't trade in a panic moment. Okay, always have a good strategy and then trade. Do not be greedy or do not trade in a fear. Okay, so many people, what they do is they will be having much of a greed to make profit in one single trade itself or in a one single day. So don't do like that. Okay, you need to learn step by step, you need to go one by one, and don't be greedy. Okay, how much ever decent profit you're making per day, it will be fine. And also don't trade in a fear of losing or something. Okay, because you should always follow a risk management when you're doing intraday trading. Okay, you need to fix your stop loss and target, and you need to know where you're stopping your loss and where you're booking your profit. Booking profits with fixed targets. Yes, this is very important. For example, let's say you're trading at 200 rupees. Okay, you're buying some stock at 200 rupees and your target is 202. Okay, so when the stock goes from 200 to 202 rupees, you need to book your profit and exit it there. Okay, you should follow your targets and discipline and exit the trade. Don't be greedy expecting the stock to go more higher. Even if it's going higher, it's fine, but you need to follow the discipline to make a consistent profit in intraday trading, and do not be greedy and do not trade on news. Okay, so there's a lot of news which you get in the internet about trading and about some stocks, so don't follow that news. Okay, some newses will not be correct and some newses will be containing a lot of things, so don't trade on the news, and keep updated regarding the market, like what is happening in the markets. So what is SEBI doing in the market, is there any new rules coming, and what are the new IPOs coming, so what are the new stocks which are listed. So keep yourself updated. There are a lot of websites like Money Control and all these things where you can check out all this news. Okay, and don't panic when you're doing an intraday trading. Okay, and also many people they miss out the opportunity when the stock price jumps and they buy it at the peak. For example, due to some any of the high news or anything, the stock will go suddenly from 200 to 205. Okay, let's say it just went up very quickly, and now what people think is they missed out the opportunity and they panic. So don't do that. Okay, so don't buy the stock when it goes too high in the same day. Okay, so wait for your proper entries and then make a trade. Follow the rules and discipline. Okay, so you should always follow the rules and discipline in intraday trading to make a proper profit and to avoid and cut down your losses. So what is this rules and discipline? That is following a correct risk management, that is 1:2 risk reward minimum. Okay, and keeping your stop loss and target accurately, and having a good strategy and following that strategy. So a lot of people will be having strategy, but when it comes to the live market, they tend to see some stocks going suddenly higher and they don't follow the strategy itself. They suddenly buy or sell a stock without any reason. So don't do that. Okay, only when your strategy is telling to buy or sell, only then do it. Have patience. Okay, and do not do over trading. Okay, so do only 1 or 2 trades per day. Okay, and due to the new SEBI rules also, the brokerages are actually less now, because the margins what you're getting is reduced, so that's the reason. And to do in futures, you need much more capital. Okay, if you're doing in equity, it's fine. Okay, even if you're getting a decent amount of profit in one single trade, that will be fine, but don't over trade in intraday trading. Okay, because that won't be safe. Okay, so these are the little tricks and tips what I wanted to share in this video. So if you guys think it was useful, so do give a like for this video. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.